Hi guys, today I'm playing Don't Press the Button, and I'm playing it with Charlie. You might think his name is Charlie, but it's actually not Charlie. His name is actually Leo, and my name is actually not Carl, because we're just like pretending to give ourselves different names. And my name is actually Leo, and but we're pretending to name ourselves Charlie and Carl. But like I was recording one time, and then he called me Eli on accident. And it's too hard, and yeah, so my name is Eli. So, and this is Leo right here. I love good is cool, and we're playing Don't Press the Button. And yeah, court. There's like so many Don't Press the Buttons, and it took me like 10 minutes to find like the actual one. I think that this is the actual Don't Press the Button. There's like 20 other ones. Oh, don't press. Hi. This computer's so old, like when I barely touch my keyboard, it literally sounds like I'm slapping it, look. But I'm not slapping it, I'm barely touching it. It's just because this PC, can I be in the vid? You are right now. Can I be in the, well yeah, I'm recording. Go it heaven. What does that even mean? Go eat heaven. Yay. Are you subscribed? Are you subscribed yet? If you're not, this thing that just killed me will come to your house. Not you. Okay. So you will know. So you'll know when I uploaded it. Okay. Don't press the button. Too bad. I'm gonna click it. Yee, boy. I'm gonna put him in the thumbnail. Alright. The thumbnail's gonna be. Oh, are you talking? I'm gonna see his reaction. I'll put you in the thumbnail. What's he gonna say now? Oh crap! What the? SpongeBob, you crazy? What? He doesn't care? What? Okay. No. Okay. I got killed. No. Okay. I got killed. Oh, and also I figured out that this hair that I'm wearing, the shaggy hair or whatever, there's a red version, and I look very, very ugly with the red version of hair. He can't kill me. I'm stuck in a tent. He can't. You better not open that. Wait, can you open that? All right, you can't. That's good. I spawned in a tent. That means I can't die. Wait, no, you can go in there. Dang it. Never mind. McDonald's Wi-Fi. Get away from me. Rest in peace. Top point players. I got killed. Oof. McDonald's. Come here, Leo. Come here, boy. Oh shoot, that's Bear. Let's all dance. It's a dance party. Crap. Leo said crap. Yee boy. Dance party. Dance, dance, dance like in the last day of your life. 'Cause baby tonight. It is the last day of my life. I'm gonna die right now. That's not a good idea. Holy. Yeet the jukes. I got the jukes, homeboy. Dang it. Never mind. Never mind. Dude, you're putting in the uppercase. You can't slash E dance, boy. Oop. E boy. But I'm gonna do the floss. If I can. My computer's so laggy if you haven't noticed that yet. Come here, Leo. Hey! Oh crap! Dang it! You little lard, Leo. I swear. Crap. This person's frozen in time. Poor noob. They're stuck. What the? They're still stuck. They're literally frozen. Oh crap! It's a speeding wall thing. What the? It went away. Oh wait, no, it's back. You gotta go under it. Okay. God dang it! Gosh dang it! Help me! Crap! Help me! Ooh, this guy looks like he's rich. I want to look like him. We're the complete opposites. Look it. Or actually, no, we look like twins, don't you think? We look exactly the same. Nobody could tell us apart. I was almost there. Ah. Why do people touch the button? Do they just like want to die? You can get easy wins. Oh crap! What the? Dang it. Dance like that. Dang it! Oh, and also in a year from now, I love Good is Cool. Oh, what the heck? Get away from me! I love Good is Cool. Leo, he's gonna make a YouTube channel in a year. It's gonna be called Leo Plays, all caps with 2 Z's instead of S. Survive Freddy Cougar. This is gonna be like the last match. This one and like the next one, I guess. Yo! I was almost there. Ah. Hola. What? Come here, Leo. We gotta dance like it's the last day of your life. Oh, Lord Jesus. What the heck is that? Bang, bang. Oh gosh, we almost died. Red has been removed. Wait, no. I don't even know what to call him. Do I call him Cole? Little. I have, like, all my friends Dang, he died! Dang, I'm gonna die too. Oh, wait, no. Okay. Pick a color, any color. I'm gonna stay here. Oh crap. No, never mind. Noob died. Guys, this is the end of this video. Subscribe right now, or else do you see this ugly face right now? It will come to your house and steal all your cookies. And it will steal your oatmeal. And so like and subscribe. Well, you don't have to like, but just please subscribe. And also, in a year from now, subscribe to Leo Plays, and goodbye.